Let's get a 3D wallpaper on the lock screen of your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you wanted the lock screen here to be 3D, you can always turn it on, but first I would recommend choosing a photo in your photo album. So just open up the Photos app here, and you can test out that 3D look by tapping on the pentagon at the top right. And there you can see it automatically creates this 3D scene. If I move my phone around, you can see the background moves differently from the foreground, aka me in this photo. Now, if you like a photo and choose one, you can always change that by going into your settings, and then you can go to your wallpaper and just hit a new wallpaper. Now, keep in mind, you can also just swipe down from the top right and press and hold to edit that wallpaper. You'll be able to see on here photos. We can just choose a photo. And let's say I want to just choose this one of my daughter. Now, to turn on that 3D spatial scene, you can see if I move it around, it doesn't do anything. But again, if I tap on that little pentagon icon, it says generating a spatial scene, aka three-dimensional look and feel. So now if I move it around, the background moves differently for my daughter, giving it a cool three-dimensional look and feel as you're holding your iPhone and moving around in your day.